Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to hide owners in Google Drive. So you want to hide owners in Google Drive. Here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is you have to locate the file you want to hide the owner. So I'm just gonna click on this, tap on share. Then from here I'll make this link available. Go to okay. The viewer options for this hasn't changed. Now let me pick another file. Alright, let me pick this file. Right. Okay, then share again. Right, so you make sure that the restricted mode for this particular file is changed to anyone with the link. Once you do that, once you update the general access, then copy the link. To copy the link, then go to your tab, open the new tab, then paste the URL of the link. Then make sure you highlight everything right in front of this flash. Okay, make sure you highlight it. Then you can see that. Then change it to copy. See that, then copy, then it's on open. Once you hit that, then this way you can see that copy document. Would you like to make a copy of class notes? Then make a copy. Then this is how it opens from the person's page. And from here the person will be able to open this folder without your owner's link. And that is how we can hide owners. Find this video helpful, turn on the button and follow for more. Thank you.